Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best food chopper in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on the price, quality, durability and more information about these food chopper. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Zillus Easy Pull Food Chopper and Manual Food Processor. With its non-slip silicone base, this model provides plenty of stability during the chopping process. However, the Zillus Food Chopper and Manual Food Processor also slices and dices vegetables. It comes with a 3-cup capacity bowl, which is transparent for enhanced convenience. A bright red Ally-shaped pull handle is set at the top of the chopper. All you need to do is securely grab the pull handle and give it a twist. This spins the interior blades, which will then slice and dice the vegetables inside the chopper. The interior of this best-rated food chopper is set with booster arms on both the top and bottom. These booster arms help to ensure that food does not stick to the inside of the food chopper. The multiple blades chop, blend, and puree your fruits and vegetables to the designed consistency. Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop. If you find that manual food choppers require too much effort, you are sure to appreciate this model. The Ninja Food Chopper runs on electricity and is fitted with a 200-watt motor. The motor powers the sharp and durable stainless steel cutting blades inside the food bowl. This model has been designed to be easy for even novices to get to grips with. All you need to do is place your vegetables in the 2-cup capacity bowl. Attach the lid, and you will be ready to get started. The lid comes with a hinged center point that you flip closed to seal it onto the bowl. Next, flip the center point up to activate the motor. There is a single large button on the top of this model that sets the blades in motion. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. Getting creative about how you serve your vegetables will be easy when you own this best manual food chopper. The Full Star Vegetable Chopper boasts a compact and portable design. However, it is designed to make it easy to prepare fruits and vegetables in a wide range of different ways. This model comes with 4 different blades that are designed for different types of tasks. There are small and large dice blades that are ideal for chopping onion, potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables. This special set also treats you to a spiral blade and a ribbon blade for cucumber and other salad vegetables. This chopper also comes with a top lid that is set with a special dented plate. This allows you to close it on any type of vegetable that you wish to chop. The lid is also set with a rubber handle that provides a soft yet firm grip for enhanced comfort. Briefton's Express Food Chopper. If you have sensitive eyes, chopping onions can be a real chore. Not only can watery eyes be painful, but it can also be dangerous if you can't see what you are doing properly. Fortunately, this will no longer be an issue when you own the Briefton's Express Food Chopper. This mid-range manual food chopper features a large bowl at the bottom with a lid that fits over it to form a tight seal. This contains the flavors from your onions as they are sliced, chopped, and diced. The large pump handle on the top is designed to be easy to operate with just one hand. The bowl at the bottom boasts an impressive 6.8 Cuban pesos capacity. The sides are transparent so that you can easily view your prepared produce. If you are not ready to use it straight away, you can store the whole food chopper in the fridge. Black Plus Decker 1.5 Cup Electric Food Chopper. When it comes to electric tools and appliances, Black Plus Decker is sure to be a name you are familiar with. The company has created a wide range of different products that can be used for a whole host of tasks. The Black Plus Decker 1.5 cup electric food chopper promises to be an excellent addition to the company's product range. One of the great things about this best electric food chopper is that there is only one button to master. Simply press the on button to start the stainless steel blade spinning. The button features pulse control and will make the blade spin faster the longer you press it. The blade is especially thick and durable and makes short work of a wide range of produce. There are special oil holes set into the sides of the chopper bowl. This makes it easy to add oil to the mix when you are creating pesto and other types of sauces. Procter Silex Durable Mini 1.5 Cuban Pesos Food Processor. With its sleek and modern design, this food chopper is ideal for compact kitchens. The Procter Silex Durable Mini 1.5 Cuban Pesos Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is compact enough to fit on any kitchen counter. It is even the perfect size to take on an RV adventure. Creating homemade salsa or puree for your baby will be a breeze when you own this model. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades make short work of even the toughest vegetables. This model is even designed to crush ice and nuts to the perfect size. A special dial has been set into the lid that allows you to choose the perfect speed for the desired fineness. There is also a special pulse button that can be used for creating puree. The transparent bowl at the bottom allows you to keep an eye on the process to achieve the perfect texture. Chef and Veggie Chop Hand-Powered Food Chopper. If you suffer from joint pain or limited mobility in your hand, you are likely to find using a chopper tricky. Even models that feature handles can require quick hands and a bit of pressure. Fortunately, the Chef and Veggie Chop Food Chopper comes with an innovative design that makes the process effortless. A large loop is set into the lid that is attached to a bungee cord. All you need to do is place your ingredients into the bowl at the base of the chopper. Pull on the loop, and the bungee cord will start the blade spinning. The 3 blades that are set inside the base bowl have been made of stainless steel and are especially sharp. They can be used to cut up fruit, hard vegetables, boneless meat and fish, and herbs and nuts. You can even use this best manual food chopper to cut up large blocks of ice. Black & Decker FP1600B 8-cup food processor. Next up, in our reviews of the best food chopper, if you find that the average food chopper is too small for your needs, this model may serve you well. The Black & Decker FP1600B 8-cup food processor comes with a wide feeder chute. This is wide enough for large carrots to save you the time of cutting them up before use. The continuous flow chute allows you to push ingredients into it while the food processor is running. This makes it very quick and easy to create food in large batches. If you have a lot of hungry mouths to feed, this is sure to be a real bonus. The stainless steel blades are powered by a 450-watt motor. You can use this model to chop, mince, dice, and shred ingredients. However, the single power button makes using this model extremely easy. The main cutting desk is set with different perforations for the type of task you prefer. All you need to do is set the disc in the desired position and press the on button. The lid on this model forms a tight seal to help keep the mess to an absolute minimum. Chukat Vegetable Slicer Dicer. If you have a compact kitchen, it is essential to find tools that can provide a wide range of functions. In this case, you are sure to find that the Chuglit vegetable slicer dicer fits the bill. Despite its compact design, this model has been created with versatility firmly in mind. This is thanks to the set of 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades. Each of the blades has been designed for a different food preparation task. There are blades for chopping onions, slicing eggs, grating cheese and ginger, and much more. No matter what type of food you want to prepare, you are sure to find that the process is quick and easy. Simply select the blades that you want and fit them into the chopper. Easy Blade plate is surrounded by white plastic edging to keep your fingers safe. Once the blade plate is in place, select the food that you want to prepare. The blade plate will help to hold it firmly in place.